Lori wants to go to the supermarket. Alex has to meet his friends in 2 hours. Can they finish shopping before Alex is late? Follow them to find out.
Hey, Alex, do you want to come to the supermarket with me?
Now I can't. I have to meet my friends in 2 hours.
2 hours is enough. It won't take long.
Are you sure? Last time it took so long.
That was different. I have a list this time.
A list doesn't mean it's fast, Lori.
Come on. We'll be back in 1 hour. I promise.
1 hour?
1 hour, maybe less.
Okay. But we have to be quick.
Yes, let's go.
They're at the supermarket, and Alex just saw the list. Listen to his reaction. Okay, let's be quick. Let me see the list.
Here.
Lori, this is a lot of things.
It's not that much. We just need to be smart about it.
Smart? We need to be fast.
We can be fast and smart at the same time.
Okay, let me check the list. Bread, eggs, apples, milk, coffee.
Let's ask someone where things are. It's faster than looking.
Good idea. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle 3.
And the eggs?
The eggs are at the back, in aisle 7.
Thank you.
See, asking is always faster. Aisle 3 first.
Okay, aisle 3, let's go.
This bread looks good. Let's take it.
Good, bread is done. Apples are on the way to aisle 7.
Let's get them first.
Then eggs, let's go. Lori has a great tip for choosing fruit. Listen carefully. Okay, apples. These ones look fine. I'll take these.
Wait, don't grab the first ones you see.
Why not? They're right here.
Supermarkets put the older fruit at the front. The fresh ones are at the back.
Really? I didn't know that.
Always take from the back. These ones here are fresher.
Oh, these ones do look much better.
And check the label on the bag too.
What should I check?
The expiry date. It's the last day the food is good.
Wait, apples have an expiry date?
Fruit in a bag does, yes. Look for best before on the label.
Oh, I see it. It says best before and then a date.
Good. Always check before you put it in the cart.
Wait, how much time do we have? We have about 1 hour left.
1 hour is enough. Let's keep moving.
Next stop, milk. But Alex is about to make a mistake. Listen carefully. Milk. I see it. I'll grab this one.
Wait, how much is it?
$4.50. Can we just go?
Now look at the milk on the shelf below.
Why?
Just look.
$3.20. That's cheaper.
Different brand, but the same thing inside.
Why is this one cheaper?
Supermarkets put the expensive brands where you can see them easily. You see them first, so you grab them first.
So they want us to take the expensive one.
Exactly. The cheaper ones are lower down. Most people don't look.
So they hide the cheap one at the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, I'll take the one below. Lori, that is the last stop, please.
Yes, check out. Let's go.
Lori and Alex have everything. Now it's time to pay. Lori finds a problem with the receipt. Listen to what she says.
Hello. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. I'll scan your items now. Okay, your total is $46.
Great, I'll pay by card.
Wait, that's a lot. Let me check the receipt.
Lori, we don't have time.
1 second. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. The coffee is on the receipt twice, but we only bought one.
Let me check that. You're right. I'm very sorry. I scanned it twice. Your new total is $33.
Thank you.
Okay, we're done.
See? Not so bad. We finished in 1 hour and 15 minutes.
15 minutes to get home. I still have 30 minutes before I meet my friends.
See? I told you it would be fine.
You're right. The apples, the shelf, the receipt, you always check. And you saved us $13.
1 extra minute, that's all it takes.
You're a great shopper, Lori. That's the end of today's video. Lori and Alex finished their shopping, and Alex made it on time. Now I have a question for you. Do you always check your receipt when shopping? Write your answer in the comments. I'll read and reply to every comment. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy English videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.